Hello everyone, welcome to the world of Lean Six Sigma. I'm Mohit Sharma, your mentor and coach on Lean Six Sigma issues and problems. I have been receiving requests that some of my viewers have been asking me to create a video on how to do value stream mapping in a simple way. So let us begin this video with the help of an example. I am going to create a value stream map of accounts payable process in Excel sheet. Let's see how it can be done. The process begins when a PO has been sent, then the goods are received, the goods are inspected, and then we receive the invoice. So from here, the accounts payable team's process begin. They receive the invoice, they compare the invoice with the PO, they approve the invoice, then they schedule the payment, and then they make the payment. This is all accounts payable process. What I have done is I have created a box which is wait time, and the next box is cycle time, and the next box after that is first pass yield. Now there were some invoices which were collected and the data was analyzed. It was seen that there is a 5 minute of cycle time to receive an invoice, and the first pass yield of this particular step is at 87%, means 13% of the invoices are not received properly. For example, some of the information was missing, the invoice number or PO number is missing, and things like that. They are sent back to the vendor for correct invoices. Then there is a 2 minute of gap between invoices received and it is compared with the PO. So that comparison takes 5 minutes, and the first pass yield at this particular step is 95%. So 5% of the invoices go back for rework. The wait time between comparing the invoice to PO versus approving the invoice is 1 minute, and the cycle time to approve the invoice is 4 minutes, and there is 100% first pass yield at this particular step. Once the invoice is approved, it is scheduled for payment, and between these two steps there is a wait time of 20 minutes. It takes approximately 12 minutes to schedule a payment, and there is a 99% first pass yield at this particular step. 1% of the invoices still need some rework. Between making a payment and scheduling a payment, there is a wait time of 10 minutes, and while making the payment, it only takes 5 minutes to process an invoice and the payment is made. Overall first pass yield at this particular step is 98%. There are some payments which are failed and they had to be redone. Total wait time of this entire process is 33 minutes, sum of all these wait times, and total cycle time is 31 minutes. And if I look at the rolled first pass yield, which is multiplication of all the first pass yields of each of these process steps, it comes out to be 80.18%, which means that only 80% of the invoices are processing through the system without any rework or error. There are few other things that can be done with the help of this particular VSM. The process capability can be calculated. The formula to calculate process capability is cycle time divided by the total time. For example, in this case, the cycle time is 31 minutes and the total time is 64 minutes. So the process capability is 48.44%. So friends, this is how you can easily create a value stream map in Excel sheet. I hope this video is helpful. If this is helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. I'll see you in my next upcoming video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.